Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 7X. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning, let's enter camera, and as you can see here on the front page of the camera, we've got video mode and photo mode. So we can zoom in, but we don't know how much, and we can't zoom out. Also, we can enable Y adapter, portrait mode, moving picture, and flashlight. In video mode, we can enable beauty level and change it, and we can enable flashlight. Also, if you tap on the screen, you'll get focus on the place you've tapped. If you swipe right, you got access to more modes like Pro mode, with adjustable ISO, shutter, EV, AF, white balance, and that's it. Next, we've got Pro Video, with similar settings like in Pro Photo mode. Then we've got HDR, we can enable Panorama, Light Painting, Time lapse, slow motion, filters, and we've got 9 filters to put. And we can change filter level. Then we've got effects like emojis, watermark, audio note, and more to download, like good food, watermark, and that's it. If you swipe left, you got access to settings like resolution, GPS tag, automatically add watermarks, you can enable grid, you can mute shutter, enable timer for camera for 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, enable touch to capture, capture smile, object tracking, and we can change volume button function for shutter and zoom. Next, we've got ultra snapshot. We can select this function to open camera and take quick snapshot, open camera, or turn it off. And here we can adjust image for saturation, contrast and brightness. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.